The Independent of London reports that President Barack Obama intends to press Congress to release more than $100 million of aid to help Mexico in its war against drug cartels. The money is part of the Merida Initiative, which is a $1.4 billion counter-narcotics package that former President George W. Bush requested in June of 2007. Under the initiative, 15% of the money would be withheld until the Secretary of State reports that Mexico has made progress on human rights. But the funds have been held up by complaints on Capitol Hill that the Mexican army has committed human rights abuses in its struggle to destroy the drug barons and end the violence that has killed an estimated 11,000 people in the country. According to documents and interviews with victims, their families, political leaders, and human rights monitors, the Mexican army has carried out forced disappearances and acts of torture in its pursuit of drug traffickers. Nevertheless, at a recent meeting in Washington with Mexican President Felipe Calderón, Obama reiterated his support for the offensive. Likewise, at a press conference last week, he commended the Mexican government for its, quote, courage in taking on the drug cartels and pledged to, quote, remain a full partner in that effort. But the money has not been forthcoming, despite the administration's best efforts, including Obama's acknowledgement that the U.S. shared responsibility for the crisis, given its demand for drugs and its role as a de facto supplier of the guns that arm the militias operated by the cartels.